Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving straight into something absolutely crucial for your digital workflow: maximizing cloud storage. We are moving way past just the basics of saving files and really getting into how to compare, upload, and share your data safely and securely. If you want to optimize your workspace and bulletproof your privacy, you are in the exact right place. Okay, let's take a quick look at our roadmap. We'll be covering local versus cloud storage, comparing popular cloud applications, looking at uploading and organizing files, mastering conditional access settings, and finally, diving into some real-life cloud integration. All right, let's jump right into section 1, local versus cloud storage. Take a quick second to think about your own workflow. Where are your files saved right now? Are your current projects locked away in your phone gallery? Or maybe they're sitting on a physical flash drive, the exact kind of drive that notoriously vanishes the second you actually need it. The real difference here boils down to vulnerability versus accessibility. Local storage means your files are saved directly on a phone, a computer, or a flash drive. If that phone gets dropped in a lake, your data goes right with it. It's a single point of failure. Cloud storage flips that entirely. Think of it as a secure online locker that is accessible using the internet, completely untethering your files from your physical hardware. So, formally, cloud storage is an online service that allows users to save, organize, access, upload, download, and share files using the internet across devices. The true magic here is that seamless sync. You can start a heavy project on your desktop and then effortlessly review it on your smartphone during your commute. The cloud acts as the invisible connective tissue between all your hardware. Moving on to section 2, comparing popular cloud applications. When we look at the market, a few heavy hitters definitely dominate the landscape. We've got Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, iCloud Drive, Dropbox, Mega, and Box. Honestly, chances are your digital life is already fragmented across 2 or 3 of these ecosystems without you even realizing it. Your personal phone might back up to one, while your workplace uses another. If we line up a few of the big ones side by side, like Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox, a clear pattern emerges. Google Drive is fantastic for file upload, sync, and search, making it great for saving outputs and portfolios, offering viewer, commenter, and editor access. OneDrive leverages its Microsoft integration for work documents and resumes, giving you viewer and editor access. And Dropbox, it champions easy folder sharing and syncing, perfect for backups and large files, with view and edit roles. But look past the branding, and you'll see they all offer the exact same essential tools for syncing and controlling who sees your stuff. Which brings us to section 3, uploading and organizing files. Regardless of the platform you end up choosing, the architecture is going to feel incredibly familiar. You'll always find a central My Drive or Files area, a prominent New or Upload button, folders, a search bar, a Shared With Me section, share buttons for link settings, and of course, a trash or bin. If you know how to navigate one, you instinctively know how to use them all. And the actual mechanics of uploading? It is practically frictionless. Step 1. Just open the cloud storage application. Step 2, click Upload or New. Step 3, choose the file right from your device. And Step 4, wait for the upload to finish. That's literally it. Within seconds, your file migrates from an isolated hard drive straight into the cloud. Now, here is a quick, practical tip that is an absolute game changer. Please, don't treat your main drive like a digital junk drawer. We've all seen the chaos of a desktop filled with files named final_v3. Build a proper structure. Create folders and color code them to easily locate files. Taking 2 seconds to make a green project folder might literally save you an hour of frantic searching during a tight deadline. All right, on to section 4, mastering conditional access settings. We now arrive at conditional access, which means controlling exactly who can open, view, comment on, edit, or share a file or folder. Guys, this is absolutely crucial. This isn't just some tech feature. It's a fundamental pillar of digital citizenship and the absolute baseline for protecting your online privacy. Let's break down this hierarchy of permissions because this dictates your digital security. Restricted means only selected people can open the file. Anyone with the link acts as a public broadcast. Anyone with the URL can access it. Then you have the specific roles. A viewer can only view or download. A commenter can view and add feedback, but an editor, they can change, upload, or completely delete your content. And this brilliantly illustrates the massive difference in risk. Viewer access is your safe default. It's safe for a general audience and prevents unauthorized changes. But editor access, You are handing over the keys to the castle. It gives someone full power to modify, delete, or change your content. That means it should be treated with extreme caution. In fact, our source material provides a brilliant golden rule to live by. Use viewer access for general viewing, commenter access when feedback is needed, and editor access strictly for trusted people. Locking this hierarchy into your mind is going to save you from some devastating data accidents. I really cannot overstate this point. Never, ever share private IDs, passwords, or sensitive documents publicly using the anyone with the link setting. It's just not worth it. Search engines can actually scrape these open URLs, which instantly turns your secure data into the public domain. Always respect your own digital privacy and double-check those settings before you hit send. Let's wrap things up with Section 5, Real-Life Cloud Integration. So how does this actually scale to your everyday life? Well, it's incredibly practical. For school, it's submitting learning activities and outputs without worrying about email size limits. Professionally, it means creating a digital portfolio for job applications that you can share instantly. It's perfect for sharing photos and presentations with peers. And on a personal level, it's amazing for backing up important family documents, so a lost phone doesn't mean lost memories. Let's apply those access rules to these real-world scenarios. If you are sharing a resume with an employer, you use viewer access. You want them to read it, for sure, but you definitely don't want them accidentally deleting your work history. Conversely, if you're collaborating on a group task with classmates, use editor access so everyone can jump in and contribute at the same time. Your settings always need to match your goals. So, I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. How will cloud storage help you in your school, work, or daily life? Think about it. What irreplaceable files do you have sitting on a fragile local hard drive right now, just waiting to be lost? You now have the exact blueprint to secure, organize, and share your data like a pro. Go open your drive, check your sharing permissions, and take control of your cloud today. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer.